Righto, top of the day to you all. This week I have got a doozy for you. It's one of my all-time favourites. If you're a crustacean lover, then get a look at this one. It's a beauty. Brandy mango chili prawns. Absolutely a treat to the taste buds. So let's get stuck right into this one. Like any seafood, we want to cook it quick. Righto, we've got a nice healthy knob of butter, because butter tastes better. Some spring onions. So if you're a real chilli lover, you can put plenty of heat in it. I'm just using one mild type chilli, and it's going in too. So this is just for all the flavours. So to butterfly the prawns, just simply run the knife down the back. These have all been deveined, but we just want to butterfly them so they open up nicely. Righto, the cheeks just come off the mango as you'd prepare it for brekkie or just to tuck into. Makes it pretty easy to work with. So we're just going to do the same old, same old. This is the easiest way to get at your mangoes. Okay, now the later I put this in, the bigger the chunks will stay in. I like the big chunks. If you put it in early, it'll just break down to a sauce. That's entirely up to you. Righto, now we've got this nice hot pan. You can see the colours starting to come out in our herbs there. It's all starting to happen. Beautiful smells. We're going to chuck in these prawns. So nice hot pan, as I say. They're butterflied, which will mean they'll open up nicely and kind of look pretty on the plate. Okay, so you can see the prawns starting to take a bit of colour, or show a bit of colour there, nice red. As I said, we don't want to overcook our seafood. So we'll get them happening just nice. They're getting some colour there and starting to butterfly or open up nicely. See that? Absolutely beautiful, exactly what we want. We'll get a couple of good glugs of brandy. If you're wondering how much a glug is, it's about 30 mils. So a couple of good glugs of brandy, nice and hot, and woofa, which is on fire. There we go. I love fire and I like blowing stuff up. We're going to add our mango into there because we're almost to the end. It's a very quick and easy dish to do. Chuck your cream in. Round about that much will give you a nice sauce. It's lovely served over a bed of rice or added as a topper to your favourite fish or steak. What a quick, easy dish. For me, it's a bit of chilli, bit of mango, bit of prawn. You'll find this recipe in my book, You Should Be Walking With Me, when I'm walking by myself.